Okay, guys, now we have to discuss the MCQ. So, which document is the primary evidence of sale before an invoice is raised? So, the correct option here we have delivery note. The delivery note confirm goods have been delivered only then as the invoice raised. So, this is the correct option, right? Now, let's move on to another one. Here, and retail organization using EPOS with system integration ensure automatic posting of sales. So, in retail organization, definitely your inventory and accounting system, and this is the correct option. So, EPOS integrate with inventory and accounting system, so sales are posted automatically, right? Now let's move to the MCQs number third here. Which document is the primary record of purchase of physical goods? So here you will have the GRN, good receive note, confirm the arrival of goods and act as the primary record. Okay. Then let's move to the next MCQs. That is for services purchase, which document initiate accounting entry. So for services purchase, which document initiate accounting entry? And the correct option is supplier invoice, because supplier invoice are the primary record for service and expenses, right? Then let's move to another one. Here we have, which of the following is not a primary source of payment information? So here GRN, good receive note relate to purchase, not payment. So this is the wrong. Then we have number six. In the FA1 exam, how are the receipt and payment assumed to be entered into the accounting system? And you have to understand that manually by the ledger team. So the correct action is FA1 assume manual entry of receipt and payment into the accounting system. Then, who inform payroll about changes of salary employee? Who informs payroll about changes part salary employee? And we know that human resource department, because human resource department inform payroll about joiners, leavers, pay raises, and bonuses. And then which method is commonly used to record hourly work by the employee? So the correct option is your clocking in out with smart card, because hourly implies often clock in out using smart card. And then which external should provide payroll staff with updated tax rate? So here you will have a government website, because government website publish a tax rate usually on official website. Then the MCQs number 10, which team is responsible for authorizing payment before they are actioned by the bank? And here you will have the purchase ledger team, because purchase ledger team manage payments upon requiring senior authorization. So this is the 10 MCQs we have done here. Amazing work. Great.